genesis of Clifftop House, conceived by Joe Adsett Architects, was born from a daring vision to construct a substantial three-story extension on a precarious strip of land, a mere sliver, perched dramatically on the very edge of a cliff. This ambitious undertaking was meant to maximize the spectacular, yet inherently risky, location. However, as the preliminary sketches were being reviewed, the raw power of nature intervened. A sudden and significant landslide ripped through the property, utterly destroying an enormous, historic porphyry wall that had long served as the boundary along Walker Avenue. It was a catastrophic event that might have convinced any reasonable client to abandon the project entirely, to acknowledge that the location's risks were simply too high. Yet, the client's resolve proved as formidable as the cliff face itself. To the architect's surprise and relief, they remained staunchly wedded to the idea of building along the clifftop. The breathtaking advantages, the unparalleled views, the cooling breezes, the sheer drama of the location were deemed to irrevocably outweigh the clear and present risks. Far from backing down, this crisis became an opportunity for a grander, more resilient statement. It was decided that the ruined boundary wall, a visual amenity critical to the area's character, would be meticulously rebuilt in porphyry. This reconstruction was not just about restoration, it was about creating a new, formidable foundation. This rebuilt monolithic stone wall would now serve a crucial dual purpose. For visitors approaching the site from the low vantage point at the base of the hill, ascending toward the house, the vast stone structure would function as a commanding, dramatic podium for the new architectural vision. It provides an anchor of strength and history, visually grounding the structure to the landscape. The existing house, meanwhile, offered a functional base, its floor plan neatly divided into quadrants. To achieve the client's vision and create the maximum impact, the design team focused on the largest rear quadrant, which, importantly, was shielded from view of the street. This selected rear quadrant was strategically dissolved and connected to the new extension, a magnificent architectural feature stretching 27 meters along the clifftop, extending 5 meters out. To maximize the unique benefits of the location, the extension was deliberately raised 1,500 millimeters from the level of the existing house. This elevation was a key design move, calculated to perfectly capture the sweeping river views and the sought-after natural breezes. Furthermore, the upper stories of the extension were designed to achieve a powerful optical illusion, appearing to float above both the clifftop and the tree canopy when viewed from the river's edge at the base of the cliffs, turning an act of defiance against nature into a breathtaking spectacle of modern design.